The beef patty with oxtails and macaroni and cocoa bread. Let's make it in the house. I'm just trying to get like content. I'm gonna put music over it. I'm trying to get
Light skin got it new do. Even look like low too. I be tripping with this money, yeah. Hit the strip chip.
Alright. We is in the supermarket. I'm not doing the intro right now. We about to make the beef patty with oxtails and macaroni and cocoa bread. Make it in the house. I'm just trying to get like content. I'm gonna put music over it. I'm trying to get, I don't think he's gonna be talking for that. I don't know. He just like it depends on how I edit it though.
Yeah, because it is a
Well, he's in Buffalo and Chipotle.
Chill.
What?
True fact. You sound big. You talking about food, about cooking food.
I mean, the cheese with the mac.
I should get lots of cheese. Just chop it up.
Yeah. My hair look crazy. I didn't do my edges. And I'm just rushing.
You got mozzarella?
I just gotta edit that video when I go in the house. No shit. And drop it. Look, Kiana, these is 2 for $6. And we paid $5 for one at the store. You're gonna need another one, right? I don't know. This is unsweetened. The one you got is unsweetened? No, it's regular. The one's edited music also. Let me check out when we actually didn't pay him.
Time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Don't get you look so nice, but you're not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner, and it's so wide. One time, I need to hold a corner, and it's so wide. One time, I need to, I need to, I need to, I need to, I need to. I need to, I need to, I need to. treat you right. I don't care how you look so nice. Crying at night, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm moved.
Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's a thought for the friends that they come to me? What part time things sit down in a class and we put that all this in the road and we go on with the road. Heard for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage, make credits and you sing. Yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring. Like hello, brother. Say I just saw you. Saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your son. You're balling on it, man. Me up a top card for the dirty, the burning, so just put a plus. But gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. But I do it for the friends that take off to be road part time. Sit down in a class, so I'm worth it. All this in the road, and me go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings are for me. And say me fi tell them the story. That's what blessings are for me. And that's why I didn't give him the job to breathe. From me delighted. You know say my passion ignited. Got the music get me excited. Coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life on. But I'm good for the journey, the test.
Okay, all of them done they notice. I'm not.
Ride with her, hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Coles, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pim Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Tell them quit that cap. Niggas ain't getting no money. Tell them quit that capping. Yeah. You need to be relaxing. You need to do your taxes. Yeah. We went triple platinum. I wanna hear no nagging. Made it happen. Young and out there, bottom buddy, made it happen. I don't wanna make no friends. Put me to my ends. Who we think he is in that brand new Benz? Should've knew I was coming. Just still a young and I knew I'd give me some money. Know I turn nothing to something. I look at your cousin, the youngest is me and running. I promise to keep it 100, keep it 100. You see me down in the house, so you got that respect me. Fuck you, give me my check, please. Young and chasing dreams, reaching for the stars. Had it all. But now I'm richer than I've ever been. 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 Richer than richer than ever. Whipping a Tesla, cars, hoes, etc. Hit 'em with pressure. My niggas won't let up. Tell them niggas to catch up. Wake up, got $1 million in diamonds that sit on the dresser. Run up that check now, flexing my muscles, I feel like cause we come from nothing to rollies and plaques. Fake love, it was holding them back. Flashbacks while you pouring the yak. Since a young nigga, he just wanted to shine. To daydream about thumping through racks. He tuck and get cold in the rack. Tears fall while he loading the strap. Seen it all, he just wanna relax. I'm richer than I ever been. Put my heart before the bag, worst shit I ever did. Gave you a second chance and you laugh again. Remember days I used to wonder will we ever win. Young and chasing dreams, reaching for the stars. See all you can be, either you gon' starve. Young and like that bottom body beat the odds. Yeah, you love it all. I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. Yeah, I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. He richer than he ever been.
So you just gonna eat the oxtails and baked macaroni?
I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now? After 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever said is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me, telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I've been, I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you. You said you never traded no. And I believed you when they told me don't.
The taste has now. That's how it looks though. So she did it with, she cut it just like they do and put it the aluminum for you. And it looks so good. I got my favorite drink, I know. You ready? Oh yeah, the light. Look at that. Got it. Put your phone up right here. Yeah, that's good. I don't know where my light is at. I'm not here not done. I'm just trying to get this reaction out. You just trying to admire it, and I'm trying to eat it. What are you doing? Like, you trying to take a bite like that? Okay. Look at this, y'all.
No more either. No more.
This is so good, bro.
Bro, I snapped. Too good. They looking, that's why.
Y'all watching my... I thought that was my birthday. Let me take one out. That Oxtail with that mac
go crazy.
And to play with.
The cocoa bread.
With the
top it.
spicy beef patty though, is a little different. It's like,
Not the mild, the spicy, the hot beef patty.
oh my god,
Stop. You want some?
too good. Too good for kids, bro. Oh my god.
This makes me play with.
How it tastes?
Then they don't have spicy beef patties at the place. This is way better. Oh god.
You try it?
I feel like I'm gonna get full of this half.
Mm-hmm.
Let me just take a little piece. So that means I can cook.
Yeah, that oxtail is different. That's that good.
And that's good. I'll make that.
Hmm?
I'm gonna get 2 boxes. You can make fun for Kamori's birthday. Another bag.
Yo, you go. You can get out, cause I don't need nobody babysitting me.
I'm literally down here.
Yo, why this food so good like this?
It's filling too. Like,
Half. We gonna have another half.
it's
for
so
later.
much stuff in here though. Oxtail,
What you
mag,
want?
beef patty, cocoa bread. It just
I'm getting full. I ain't even finished it yet.
it's getting stuck. But oxtail is just stuck in my bracelet.
My cocoa bread still wants a different sauce.
Cause it's so bright. My edges look mad crazy. But alright, y'all. 10 out of 10. Ain't no 9. Can you rate it so I can end the video? Like, why
Yeah,
you
10 out of 10.
Yo, you be rude.
I'm agreeing with you.
You didn't say nothing. You just.
All right, yeah, this is 10 out of 10, y'all. Digging it.